Hello everyone. So today we are going to check a history question. The question is, the Jain and Buddhist councils played a pivotal role in shaping the doctrinal foundations and literary traditions of their respective faiths. तो क्वेश्चन हमसे इसमें क्या मांग रहा है कि जो जैन और बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल्स हुई थी उन्होंने कितना स्पेशल रोल प्ले किया था उनकी जो भी लिटरेरी हमारे पास बुक्स अवेलेबल हैं उनको फॉर्मेशन में. तो इस आंसर में student in the intro has written that Jainism and Buddhism came as heterodox religions against the Vedic religion of the time. Factually ये बात ठीक है. However, हमारे question से बहुत ज़्यादा relevant नहीं है because the question is asking about the councils. So here what we can write is that how after the death of Buddha and Mahavira, various councils were held so as to incorporate and save the doctrinal purity of the teachings given. इससे हमारा इंट्रो एक प्रॉपर बेस क्रिएट कर देगा हमारे अपकमिंग आंसर के लिए. नेक्स्ट बॉडी पार्ट में बच्चे ने लिखा है, फर्स्ट उसने स्टार्ट किया है जैन काउंसिल से, विच इज नाइस बिकॉज सबसे पहले हमारे को जैन के बारे में ही पूछा गया है. He has written 4 points जिसमें उन्होंने बहुत रफली हमें ये बताया है कि कैसे स्टार्टिंग में वैशाली में कोडिफिकेशन ऑफ अंगाज हुई है, देन पॉपुलराइजेशन ऑफ पंच महाव्रताज हुआ, देन उसने दिगंबराज और श्वेतांबराज के फॉर्मेशन के बारे में बताया है. देन ही हैज ऑल्सो टॉक्ड अबाउट एक्सट्रीम पेनेंस बीइंग द कॉज फॉर डिक्लाइन ऑफ जैनिज्म. द फर्स्ट 3 points actually correct and relevant. However, the 4th point is not relevant here. How it is not relevant? Because हमसे डिक्लाइन के कॉजेज नहीं पूछे गए हैं. अगर हमसे डिक्लाइन के कॉजेज पूछे जाएंगे देन वी हैव टू राइट दिस. हाउएवर अब ये तीनों चीजें ठीक हैं बट दीज आर नॉट कंप्लीट. हमें अपने आंसर को कंप्लीट भी बनाना है. फॉर दैट हमारे को पता है हमारी 2 इंपॉर्टेंट जैन काउंसिल्स हुई हैं. सो बेटर वे टू प्रेजेंट दिस कैन बी इन अ टैबुलर फॉर्मेट or at least in a form of a flow chart. In a tabular format what you can do is आप उसमें first council के बारे में बताएंगे, you will tell where it was held and then you will tell what was achieved in it. Same ways आप second council के बारे में बताएंगे, उसकी जगह बताएंगे और उसमें क्या achievement हुआ था वो बताएंगे. In the next part of the body, student has written about the Buddhist councils. Same ways he has given 4 points. First Buddhist council, Sutta Pitaka and Vinaya Pitaka. Second Buddhist council about Abhidhamma Pitaka. Third Buddhist council, Ashoka Dhamma was popularized. And fourth Buddhist council, Mahayana Buddhism under Kanishka. Points are correct, but again, they are not complete. So for making that a complete answer, what we can do is, here we can do it in a form of a flow chart. We can write about first council. Then after that, we can move to the second council, third council and fourth council. In every one of them, you can write where they were held, the places and the main achievements. However, in the third and the fourth, as we know, they were done under the patronage of 2 very important kings. In the third, we can write about Ashoka's presence also. And in the fourth one, we can write about Kanishka's presence. So this way, the body part gets completed. Also in the conclusion, the child has written that today Buddhism and Jainism are popular as religion of peace throughout the world. It is a very generic conclusion, not irrelevant but quite generic. तो इसको हम better कैसे कर सकते हैं? We can write, जैसे जो हमारा question की point का relevance था, that they have played a pivotal role. इस चीज को आप यहाँ पे agree करके show कर सकते हो as the question has asked for commenting. जब आप इस बात को यहाँ पे agree करेंगे, you can write from the above, that both the councils have played a significant role in maintaining the purity of both the religions as well as in spreading them across regions. Then obviously you can add this point also, that how today also they are considered to be the religions of peace. So we saw कैसे इस बच्चे का there was a little struggle in writing answers, however he knew the content, उसका relevant टॉपिक पे उसने relevant content लिखा है, still उसमें अभी भी qualitatively कितनी improvement की requirement है.